And we are in front of an interesting Thokie over the top with the Gladiator Extreme base, and we shall be looking at this Thokie over cab experience. Entering inside, well, looks like a pretty great long bed. And this can comfortably sleep two people, with probably an additional one person sleeping right up here. Measuring on the longer part, yes, it's 2 meter, and this will be probably 140, 1.5 even more. Great design with a lot of storage space all around. Not bad at all. This is ready for overlanding, and also two induction cook stoves and one sink with the actual storage space also down there, and there is also a cabinet storage right up here, additional storage down there, and we have an electronic cassette, or I don't know, new style of separator toilet with hot and cold water and sliding door. And we have the Thetford 90-liter fridge full of stuff right up here. Under it there will be also the control unit and probably the boiler. Not bad, ready for overlanding. Going out, taking a look all around, and this Thokie camper on top of the Jeep Gladiator. Great looking thing, and we shall be looking at the price. We are going for 44,900 for this specific model. With all the amenities, we are going to 56,659. Well, there you have it. Overlanding on the go with the Gladiator.